Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ankita Rani. I am working as an assistant professor in the department of CSE at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today we discuss the topic Python tuples. Tuple is a data type in the Python and the subject code is BCC 402. So what is Python tuple? How the tuple is work in Python? First of all, tuple is written in the square brackets like this. In this we can give any item and tuple is written in the square bracket. But previously you studied about the list. List is written in the square bracket and previously I discussed set is written in the curly braces. Similarly, dictionary is also written in the curly braces. So this is a tuple. This is a variable name my tuple and apple, banana, cherry is the items in the tuple. So tuple are used to store multiple item in a single variable. In the list we discuss the same list are also used to store multiple item in a single variable. Similarly, here my tuple is a single variable and in this variable there are total 3 number of items are stored. So tuple is one of 4 built-in data type in Python used to store collections of data. The other 3 are list, set, dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. List, set and dictionary. This is the 4 built-in data types. 4 built-in data types in Python. This is the 4 built-in data types in the Python. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. List is the mutable but tuple is immutable. Tuple is a immutable object and it is ordered. List is ordered and tuple is also ordered. So a tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuples are written with round brackets and this is the example. This tuple is a variable and this is 3 item and this is the printing statement. Print this tuple. So the output is apple, banana, cherry. Next is the tuple items. We already discussed that the tuple items are the ordered item, means in a specified order, and it is unchangeable, means if you add one item then it is unchangeable. You cannot delete or remove or some modified, you cannot modify that item, and it also allows the duplicate values as in the list. So tuple item are indexed. The first item has the index value 0 and the second item has index 1. So ordered, when we say that tuples are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Ordered means tuples are in the ordered manner, in a sequential manner, means the item has a defined order, and it is unchangeable, means the order is not changed. Tuple is a immutable or unchangeable. Unchangeable is also called as immutable. So tuples are immutable, meaning that we cannot change, add or remove items after the tuple has been created. We can also update tuples as tuples are unchangeable, meaning that you cannot change, add or remove item once the tuple is created, but there are some workaround, there are some alternatives to change the tuple values. What are these alternative, what are these workarounds? Once a tuple is created, you cannot change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable as it is also called. but there is a workaround. You can convert the tuple into the list, change the list and convert the list back into a tuple. So the alternative is, if you want to change the element of the tuple, first of all you have to convert this tuple into the list, and after that you can change the list and convert the list back into the tuple. So this is the way to change the items in the tuple. This is the example of convert the tuple into the list. For example, this is the tuple x is equal to apple, banana, cherry. This is the tuple. So we take the another variable. So list bracket x. This means that we can create this tuple into the list. So now the tuple is converted into the list. Next is y. This is the index number y of 1 is equal to kiwi. So this is the 0 index value, 1 index value, 2 index value. So they said that at position 1 the value is the kiwi. We want to update the value kiwi, means in place of the banana we want to write the kiwi. So we change the value banana to the kiwi, and after that we convert back the list into the tuple. So x is equal to tuple y. Y is the list, so we convert the y into back to the tuple. So at the last we print the value of the variable x. So the output is the apple, kiwi, cherry, because at place of 1 we write kiwi. So this is the way of how you convert or change the tuple or the items in the tuple. First you have to convert the tuple into the list, and then changes in that list, and at last convert back into the tuple. So add items. Similarly, add items are like, since tuple are immutable, they do not have a built-in append method, but there are other ways to add item to a tuple. So first is the convert into a list. Just like the workaround for changing a tuple, you can convert it into a list, add your item and convert it back into the tuple. So convert the tuple into a list. Example is, convert the tuple into a list, add item orange and convert it back into the tuple. So this tuple is a variable. In this tuple there are 3 items, apple, banana, cherry. First of all we take another variable y, and that variable we convert this tuple into the list, y dot append orange. Append means add some item. So we add the item orange at the end. So after adding the item, we convert that list back into the tuple. So this tuple is equal to tuple y. So the output is apple, banana, cherry and orange. The item, the appended item is by default and is add to the end of the list, end of the tuple. So this is the way of adding the item in the tuple. Next is the add tuple to a tuple. You are allowed to add tuple to tuple. So if you want to add one item or many, create a new tuple with the items and add it to the existing tuples. So create a new tuple with the value orange and add that tuple. For example, this is the value apple, banana, cherry. We want to create a new tuple, y is equal to orange. This is a tuple, and in the previous tuple we add this tuple. So this tuple plus y. So print this tuple, means this tuple value is added in the orange. So apple, banana, cherry, orange. So this is the way for adding the tuple into a tuple. Next, in the remove item, Similarly, tuple is unchangeable, means you cannot remove item, but you can use the same alternative. You can convert the tuple into a list, remove item and convert it back into the tuple. For example, in this we want to remove apple. So first we create this tuple, apple, banana, cherry. Then we create the, we take the another variable y is equal to list, bracket this tuple. So y dot remove apple. We want to remove the item apple. So we can write y dot remove bracket in bracket apple. This tuple is equal to tuple y. So the final output is the banana and cherry. Apple is removed from this tuple. So this is the way you can remove the item in the tuple. Next is the unpacking of the tuple. Packing a tuple. Packing a tuple means when we create a tuple, we normally assign value to it. This is called packing a tuple. For example, the variable fruits, in this we have 3 items, apple, banana, cherry. Similarly, this is the simple packing a tuple. This is the output. But in Python, we are also allowed to extract the value back into the variables. This is called unpacking. Unpacking means extract the value back into the variables. For example, this is the variable, and in this variable we have 3 items, but green, yellow, red. This is a tuple and this is a variable fruits. So we print green, yellow, red. We print green is for the value apple, and yellow is for the value banana, and red is for the value cherry. So if we say print bracket green, this means that they print the value apple. If we want to print yellow, this means they print banana, and if we write print red, this means they print cherry. So this is the way of unpacking the tuple. So the number of variable must match the number of values in the tuple. So in that there are 3 number of items and there are 3 number of values in the tuple. If not, you must use an asterisk to collect the remaining value as a list. If the number of variables is less than the number of values, you can add an asterisk to the variable name and value will be assigned to the variables as a list. For example, fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, strawberry, raspberry. So we have green, yellow, and for the remaining item we use the asterisk because the total number of value is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the total number of variable is the 1, 2, 3. Total number of variable is 3, but total number of value is the 5. So we use the asterisk keyword. So for asterisk, if we write print green, then they print apple. Print yellow means they print the value banana, and print red means at here we write the asterisk. Asterisk means they print all the remaining values. All the remaining values are cherry, strawberry, raspberry. So they print all the remaining values as a list. They print as a list which is called cherry, strawberry, raspberry. So this is the unpacking of tuples. If the asterisk is added to another variable name, then the last, Python will assign value to the variable until the number of values left matches the number of variables left. So for example, we have a variable fruits and these are the items. So same at here the number of variable is 3, but the number of items is 5. So let's see, but at this time asterisk is in the middle value. So print green means apple, print tropic means they write 1, 2, 3. It left the last value because last value is remaining for the last keyword, for the last variable. So for the print red, they print cherry, but for the tropic, they count the values. 3 values are written as a list: mango, papaya and pineapple. Next is the Python join tuples. To join 2 or more tuples, then we use the plus operator as a string in the string concatenation. So this is the tuple 1, this is the tuple 2. We take another tuple 3 for adding these items, tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Print tuple 3, ABC 1, 2, 3. This is the joint tuples. Multiply tuple, for multiplication, this is the example: fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Then we can divide this variable by 2. So that means this tuple is printed by 2. Every item is print 2 times. Apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry. This is the multiplication of the tuple. Next is the tuple methods. So Python has 2 built-in method that you can use on tuples. First is the method. This method is the count method. Count method is return the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. Next is the index. Index is searches the tuple for a specified value and return the position of where it was found. So this is the tuple methods. There are also remaining method for the tuples. Okay, thank you.